So, for my friends in the Northeast corridor, including my brother who lives up here in New York, right? We're going to start this off on analyzing starting Saturday evening, right? You see snow and freezing rain and sleet pushing in from the southwest. It really intensifies moving through the Northeast here in Mid-Atlantic. Potentially heavy sleet in this corridor here, right? Heavy snow moving into the Northeast on Sunday, okay? Surface low developing offshore here. Heavy band of sleet here. Now, if this sleet pushes far north like this model depicts, it could limit snowfall amounts, okay? But at least according to this, well, yeah, I mean, right along this boundary here is where the heaviest um, snow could be. So, and quite a northward push here. You see the surface low, and let's take a sounding here real quick at this area. Take a look at what it looks like real quick. So it's showing snow, right? And very cold at the surface. Like, yeah, very cold. And the quite a deep let's see, dendritic growth layer. Anyway, plenty of area for snow to, it should be from -12 to -17 C. Saturated profile here with a warm nose, trying to push in aloft here. This may be a little bit overdone with the NAM, right? So see if we can get the HRR. It's not about the wrap. Let me see. You get it. Never mind. It doesn't show anything. Anyway, see the profile here, right? So I think this model wants to bring a warm nose in too far. Switch to HRR. It keeps the warm nose a little further to the south here. All right, so quite a sharp cutoff, at least with the really heavy snow here. But so wherever this sets up, we're gonna see the heaviest amounts. So we look at the snow totals here, right? You see the cutoff here, right? Snow total move to the north here. This may be a little bit overdone, but I wouldn't be surprised if we get this so much. So, like I said, there's going to be a sharp cutoff here where the sleet falls. So wherever you have sleet, it's going to be less accumulation. So we keep an eye on that as well. But a very impactful event nonetheless, and potential does exist to almost 20 inches of snow